Hello everyone, distinguished partner and friends. I'm Jeff from the International Product Team. It's my honor to be here to share our presentation. Firstly, warmly welcome to attend this webinar. And also, thank you for all of you support ZKTeco brands all the time. Thanks. And everyone knowing that now is the new time era of the IoT, 5G, computer vision, and also big data. The new technology, always the empowerment, the new industries. For ZKTeco, we are devoted to develop hybrid biometric and AI technology to the aim to enhance the security level and solutions in reach. Today, our topic is the ZKBio CVSecurity, the enterprise total solutions. Now I will share the four parts. The first is for the what's the ZKBio CVSecurity. The second, platform introduction. The highlights. The third, the highlight of the functions. The last one for the solutions scenarios. So what's the ZKBio CVSecurity? It's based on the hybrid biometric and computer vision technology and provide the person plus car and object integrated security software management platform. So here there maybe have some doubts. So before we know, everybody knows the ZKBio security, but today we share the new concept, ZKBio CVSecurity. So what's the difference between the ZKBio security and ZKBio CVSecurity? So firstly, we are also still based on our core the technology, Bio4, fingerprint, palm, iris, and visible light, facial recognition, and also near-infrared visible face recognition. This is for the hybrid biometric. At this time, we especially to end the computer vision. What's the computer vision? It's called AI. Okay. From this diagram, it's very interesting. This diagram is showing us about ZKTeco, the security platform, all the integration and upgrading step by step, year by year. The first generation we call the security 1.0 version. Everybody knows for the ZKBio Access 3.5, ZKBio Access, and also ZK Parking. Okay, all the three, the software just maybe have the single module and two module like time attendance as with the X control, also just the single parking module. Okay. The second generation we call the ZKBio security. Everybody knows the first version. I remember in 2016 we released the first version ZKBio security. At that time they just only have the four module: X control, time attendance, and parking. Also for the vehicle management, just only four the module. Also for the generation 3, we call the ZKBio CVSecurity. Is the main topic today. Okay, we can see especially for the red color set, there are the several modules like cloud service, the AI, and also video surveillance, and also for intelligent analysis. Also, we add the temperature module to all the new technology, the factories to the target is to enhance and strengthen our total solutions more security and more smarter. And also from this diagram, another interesting information we can see different generation. Our software and solutions, the ability will be scaled another level. Okay. Next part, let's talk about our software, the architecture. We can see there are 5 layers. The first layer for the sensor layer. The second, the network, platform, application, also for display layer. This time in the ZKBio CVSecurity, this new platform, we end the AI service, MQ service in the platform, and also for the application layer, we add the video surveillance, and also for intelligence analysis. This all the advanced technology inside. This diagram is for the system typical diagram. We divided just the 3 parts. Firstly, for the entry and exit security management. The second is for the smart office. The third is for the safety prevention. Everybody knows all the module. We can see the access control, entrance control, parking, vehicle management, and also for elevator. This time, I want to emphasize here about access control. We added some intelligence analysis the factors inside, like the access control with the video surveillance and the analyze AI linkage for the specific scenarios to be used. The last one for the intelligent video. This part is highlights. Is part 3. I will emphasize to introduce this part. And also for the top level, we can see the server and the monitoring center. Okay. This whole the typical top diagram is a big difference with the ZKBio security. About the ZKBio CVSecurity, the design idea is like this. The idea is we call the one center for defense line. First line, for the free gate, for the outside monitoring, for people's access control, and for the visitor management, and also for vehicle access for the first defense lines. The second is for the parking lot side to management. The 3 is for the office gates and the pedestrian management. The 4th one is for the office inside area for the security management, like restaurant, canteen, also for financial room, manager room, like this. For the ZKBio CVSecurity, this platform, there are 3. We sum up the 3 advantages. Firstly, this time we integrate with the intelligent video analysis into this platform. The second, for visible data, the dashboard. The third one, we add more the Microsoft structure inside of this platform. The third part, we talk about the highlights of the functions of the ZKBio CVSecurity. The highlight is very interesting, for the intelligent analysis. Intelligent analysis for the face alert, for people, car, objects, all the integration in the platform. We can add more the AI factors. Intrusion, wandering, cross line, area, enter. From the diagram, from the diagram, we can see the people just cross the barrier. So the people just stand in the monitoring center will easy to know what happened outside and also trigger alarm. The next for the face and body vehicle search. For some scenarios like this, from the diagram we can see the people just go around in the capitals. So like for example, like in the park, if there just some children was lost, so this function is very useful to find these lost children. As for the parking lot management, this function exists for the parking. If this parking lot is not belongs to this person, okay, the person just park here, so the camera will be trigger alarm to, and also to trigger alarm, and also to indicate him cannot park here. Also, this time we enhance the monitoring for the video surveillance. The video surveillance, based on this platform, we can support more than 1,024 the video channel. Okay, another interesting highlight functions that is for we call the DCS for Animator control management. From the diagram, we can say every morning there are some people just waiting for being clean, just waiting for the animator. So the efficiency is very low. So we provide this DCS solution. DCS solution there is. We provide three types. Firstly for the DOP, second the COP, and the DOP mixed with COP. How to understand this function? We already integrate with the head touch and calling and speech. This was three famous innovator brand. So like this, if some person, if some visitor, for example, if some visitor coming to visit us, okay, if he already pre-reservation, okay, he just use his QR code, use his face, just directly go to the parking lot, the pedestrian, and also when he scan his face, his QR code in the pedestrian area, okay, the elevator will automatically to take this person to go to his destination floor. Very convenient. The third one is for the visitor management. There we list here just the three workflow. Firstly for the pre-invite reservation. The second is for the online and self-reservation. The third one is for the if this person just directly go to this company, so he can go to the reception to manually to register his basic information. And also, this based on this platform, we already finished so many integration with third party like the map, GSmap, Google Map, also Baidu. The second for the fire alarm, the first step we already finished to integrate with the bodies from the Russia, the brand. And also we integrate the messaging notification, Amazon, WhatsApp, and Line. It's very useful, these functions. The four parts we talk about solution scenarios. Based on the all above, we talk about introduce these very useful, very interesting functions, the highlight functions. So I just list here one example. We call it smart campus. Actually, the campus is a general concept. We can see with our new the technology and AI's analysis knowledge, the new technology can bring more convenience for us in normally in daily life. For all the new highlight features and specific scenarios can be just as a small scenario can be used in different industry like office, building management, capitals, and also for government building and also for school management. Thank you. That's all about our presentation today. Thank you so much. Again, hope this presentation will give you the big surprise and bring you more opportunities to get more big success in the future. Thank you so much.